Guys, can you believe these are the same cherry blossoms from less than a week ago? Like, look how much it's changed and grown in such a shorter period of time, man. If that's not inspirational, I don't know what is. Because, you know, um, it may not always come to you in the form of a flower, but I want you to never underestimate your inner power. Guys, see, I kind of just made that up, but it just goes to show, that you can find inspiration even in the smallest things, especially out in nature. Okay, I think I got ahead of myself, guys, there. So I just wanted to let you know what we'll be talking about today, guys, and that's, you know, how to find inspiration and creativity even in difficult times. Okay, and ooh, it's getting a little bit windy and cold out here, guys. So I'm gonna hop right inside, and then we'll continue to talk from there. All right. Alright guys, we're back inside where it's a little bit more warm, and I just want to start off with the introduction. Welcome back to the club, guys. I'm so excited to have you guys back here. Thank you for being part of the club and always all your support, guys. You guys are amazing. And to those of you guys who are new here, I'm Tim from Tim's Club, where I make videos about singing, self-development, and vlogging. So if you guys like those things, subscribe to be part of the club and stick around, okay? So we're gonna hop back into the topic at hand today, and we were talking about finding inspiration and creativity in difficult times. So you guys saw me outside earlier, and I got so excited with the introduction that I even forgot to do the whole intro and talk about what we were talking about today. But see, I was so excited about the flower and how much it's grown in such a short period of time. Like, that's pretty impressive. It's been less than a week, and yet the whole entire blossoms are all fully grown and blooming. So it's really beautiful to see, guys. And so I came up with that kind of like short rap verse on the spot because I was inspired by that, knowing that, hey, growth is happening and you may not always see it visibly, like in the form of a flower, but growth and change is happening, and for you it may be internal. So don't underestimate your inner power, guys. See, guys, you can find inspiration and creativity even in the smallest things, like a blossoming flower, or maybe some personal growth in your own development journey, right? So that's what really worked for me, guys, is that to be observant and pay attention to the smaller things in your life, and you'll never know where you might find a spark of inspiration or creativity. Okay, so be observant and pay attention to the smaller things in life, guys. All right, I'm gonna hop over to the next place where I feel a little bit more inspired and to give you guys more ideas. All right, so we're gonna hop right over. I'll be right back. All right, hey guys, hey, we're here back in the new spot. Can you guess where we are? Yes, let me show you around really quick. Yep, yeah, that's right. We're here in the ride in my car here, man. I just love being in the car. I just love being behind the wheel. When I'm facing difficult times and I'm looking for some inspiration or creativity, I just like to go, for a short drive, or I just like to go for a little cruise or a trip. I may not always know where I'm going, but it's not about the destination, guys. It's about the journey, right? And sometimes you just let the road take you where you need to be, where you need to go, and in that there's like so much more freedom and ability to just have that time to think, to self-reflect, to find inspiration, to find creativity, guys. So guys, yeah, if you're having a hard time being inspired or looking for some creativity, try going for a drive, cruise around and see where you end up. You may never know where you end up, and you might see some inspirational things, or just get an idea while you're behind the wheel on the road. Okay, guys. So yeah, that actually ties kind of into what I want to talk about next. Since you're already on the road, right? Since you're already driving, maybe there's a place that you can visit. So I'm gonna take you to another spot really quick. Okay, we're here in the third spot, and yeah. So another thing that I like to do when I'm looking for inspiration or creativity in tough times is that I like to go to a place with a nice view or a high vantage point, somewhere where I can overlook either, you know, nature or the city or wherever, preferably somewhere just high up. That way you kind of get that bird's eye perspective, you know, that kind of another perspective on life where you can see things differently with more clarity, from a different angle, you know. That really helps with, you know, finding some inspiration and boosting the creativity that you're looking for. And so, guys, you know, if this was helpful, if you guys liked it or you had fun just hanging out in the club, you know, please hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you guys don't miss my upcoming videos, okay? And I just want to thank you all so much for being part of the club. And, you know, this is where I inspire you guys one video at a time. So next time, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.